Welcome back. I'm going to make a short video here on my next project. What we're looking at here is the front of the F350, obviously, and over here is my progress. I'm doing a smoke headlight conversion on this because these headlights are just too far beyond being able to be sanded, and they're ugly and they're frosted and I don't like it. So here's the new pieces here. I got these on eBay for about $100, and here's the receptacle where they go. And these are a pain in the ass. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna lie. The headlights use these clips like this, and these are basically used to retain the headlight in its socket. And if you look at how they mount, you got your headlight here. This piece kind of right here protrudes into the body of the vehicle, and this clip goes on like this, and it locks in. Goes on like this, and it locks in. And this little piece that you see sticking out of the back of the clip locks into the body. So to pull these clips, you have to use like a pick, or if you don't have a pick, which in my case I don't have a pick, I cannot find it, you have to pry backward on the clip and lift at the same time. And this little thin piece tends to get stuck in the body, so needless to say I broke the other side, which sucks. But I think Advance has a few I can get, which is not a huge deal. And then these turn signal pieces that you see here are actually retained by a mounting hole on this side and on that side. And the way to get to them, in case anybody out there is wondering, is get yourself a really long ratchet like so. It's a 5.5mm head on it. You're basically going to run it right into the bumper. Bingo, right there in that spot there, right there in that spot there. So took me a minute to find where they actually mount, but that's where it goes into, and then it just slides out. Pop your bulbs out here and here. So there's the aftermath of my existing headlights, and I'm going to go ahead and throw these in here. Here's the old, there's the new, old, new. These look really good. Give you a kind of an up close here on them. They go in well. They look real good with the chrome. They kind of just have that, you know, match the dark wheels kind of look. Not yellowed at all. Nice clear glass. They go on nice and straight. Much easier to install than they are to remove. So, getting back to this side, I'll show you what I mean. These clips, pain in the freaking ass. There's the first one that's got to come out, up and out. And there's the second one right there. Looks like a little shelf right there. So those pull out, and then the final, most annoying piece of the puzzle is way down there. There's a prong connector that's on the other side of that torque head that goes way down in there that you have to squeeze and pull. So needless to say, you're going to be fighting with it for, I fought with that side for about 15 minutes trying to squeeze it out. So yeah, I'll go ahead and post an update here when this side is done. Well, I must say, it did turn out awesome. I did have to switch cameras because my phone freaking died. I was taking that video with my iPhone earlier. But yeah, nice. Looks good. Definitely think these smoke lights look good with all the chrome on the front of it. It's just, it cleans it up nice. And you'll also notice I did add those chrome mirrors there. Those are just slip covers, which were surprisingly well made and came with a lot of 3M backing tape. So I was pretty happy with that. So let's take you up close and personal here. You can see the results. They finish real nice. They're really good. They seem to be really good quality. I made sure I used all the gaskets that seal the bulbs in there. That's usually what happens when people swap these out, is their gaskets are kind of crappy, and that's what causes the fogging to happen. So hopefully I won't have the issue there. And then chrome grill look really good now. That's you replace that. There's that side. I just think overall a good improvement on this old truck. You know, you can do things fairly inexpensively if you use your resources and you use eBay and Amazon and all that kind of stuff, and you aren't in a rush trying to go to the parts stores. So yeah guys, I'm gonna say that that's probably gonna conclude kind of the rehab of this truck. I did have fun kind of doing it. I will show you one more look here. I'm going to show you the other addition that I made here. I added these bed rails for when we put the tank back here. They'll make a nice area to kind of grip and pull. These are solid too. So those were $100 eBay. So hopefully they'll last a little while. Put it up there. I'm pretty happy with it. So leave your comments below. Let me know what you think. I think it came out good. So I'll try to make. Oh yeah, I got a video of the Mustang coming up here soon. I was out there working on it all night last night. So I'll give you an update on that one there shortly. All right. Thanks for watching.